Forecast.
You're watching Markets for You, a daily video cast that covers market news and shares trading signals from experts. I'm Andrew Whitelaw. First, the US dollar. The dollar weakened on Wednesday after a report by the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development recommended that the Fed continue with its program of stimulus, scotching hopes of an early exit. The greenback ended the day at 1.2939 to the euro and 101.15 to the yen. Today's data includes first quarter GDP revisions, personal consumption, which is expected to rise a basis point to 3.3%, initial jobless claims, and pending home sales, which are forecast to rise by 12.6% year-on-year in April. Next to the euro. The euro rose on Wednesday after inflation data showed an unexpected rise, lessening the likelihood that the European Central Bank will lower interest rates or introduce other easing measures. The single currency ended the day at 1.2939 to the dollar and 130.89 to the yen. Today's data includes Eurozone consumer confidence, which is expected to remain at minus 21.9 in May. British pound. The pound traded mixed on Wednesday, rising versus the dollar, which weakened on lessening quantitative easing, tapering hopes, and falling as a result of a general drop in global risk appetite after Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development downward growth revisions awoke fears of a fresh crisis in the neighbouring Eurozone. Sterling ended the day at 1.5129 to the dollar and 0.8551 to the euro. Today's data includes house prices and the Lloyd's Business Barometer in May. Japanese yen. The yen rose on Wednesday as a result of a rise in safety demand following the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development's downgrading of global growth forecasts for 2013. The yen ended the day at 101.15 to the dollar and 153.01 to the pound. Today's data includes Consumer Price Index in April, with a rise to 0.7% expected from 0.9% previously. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you, in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts in the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.2945 with targets at 1.299 and 1.3025 an extension. The downside penetration of 1.2945, which will open the way to 1.2915 and 1.2875. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.5095 with 1.5185 and 1.5022 as next targets. The downside penetration of 1.5095, which will call for slides towards 1.507 and 1.504. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 101.8 with 100.55 and 100.1 as next targets. The upside breakout of 101.8, which will open the way to 102.2 and 102.55. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Andrew Whitelaw and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great day.